Today we are here in Blackburn North and I'm very much looking forward to meeting Patrick and Des who have built this beautiful Astoria Grand 49 property. So I'm very excited to see what they've done with the build. Des, thank you so much for having me in your lovely home.
You're very welcome.
Thank you. And this kitchen, I would love to talk to you a bit about the kitchen. How did you want it to feel?
We want something that is very bright and airy, and there's a lot of space because we do have some friends who would come over and cook with us, and we like to entertain people. So definitely.
I can see the upgrade of the island is amazing. It's bigger.
We also upgraded some of the storage.
I noticed that your cabinets go all the way to the ceiling.
Yep, we do have a high ceiling, and you can never get enough of storage.
No.
So instead of having dust collectors up above, so we just put it all the way up. So things that we don't normally use on a regular basis are all up there. So it's very useful.
What was the experience like going to Spectra?
When we went to the Spectra, there was someone who would guide us along the way to make sure that all things work together.
You did find it really helpful having that designer on board?
Yeah, absolutely, because there's a lot of different whites and we don't know which white will go well with this type of warm gray. So we trusted the designer and she recommended something, and I think it turned out well. So.
Absolutely, it did. It looks beautiful. So, Patrick, why Blackburn North?
This is actually our third house in Blackburn North. So
Oh, wow.
the reason we chose Blackburn North before was so we got young kids. So we wanted to make sure that there are good primary schools and high schools in the area, not too far from the city as well. So
Absolutely.
those are the things that we look for when we're looking for a place to live in.
And also I noticed you've got these incredible green spaces.
Yeah, there's a park here. There are two footy ovals. Then it's an off-leash dog park as well.
Were you always planning on doing a knockdown rebuild?
As the boys grew older, we thought that we needed more internal space. The kids didn't want to leave the area because they have older friends here. They got older connections already.
It is quite a beautiful open plan space you've got here. So how many square meters is this block?
So the block is around 735 square meters.
How long did your build take?
If you count from slab pour to handover, that's approximately 7 months. So, which is really great.
Yeah. Well, the
and-
Astoria Grand 49, it's a big property.
Yeah, and considering we also had that holiday period from December to January, so we're really happy with the speed of the build.
The floor plan basically allows us to have a suite for every bedroom. We wanted the house that will be able to still support the family even when the kids grow older. The various options that's available for us to reconfigure, that has allowed us to really customize in some way the house to meet the specific needs that we have as a family.
Great, so what options did you use? How did you customize the home?
Right behind us is that grand living. Normally it's an al fresco, so you'll have a door here, the sliding doors behind us, but we push that out so that we have more internal space.
So Patrick and Des, we can see you've put in a beautiful pool. Was it always your intention to have a pool in the property?
We were initially 50-50 about it. It's not a must-have, but eventually it became a must-have, nice to
Yeah,
have. So it became part of the overall design planning.
But when we were planning, like we mentioned to Carlisle that yeah, we might put in a pool in there, so they made sure that it was part of the plans.
When we see our kids just having fun in the pool and really enjoying it with their friends or with us, it is something that has allowed us to have more memories and build a lot of connection with them as well. And so this is the place where at the end of the day they're gonna talk to us, and I feel they tend to be more open and just relax and be casual when speaking with us while in the pool.
That's wonderful. So it really does transform how you live. Why did you choose Carlisle Homes as your builder?
One of the criteria is find a builder with a home design that fits our odd-shaped block. The other reason is research online, and then with
the pros and cons and eventually decided Carlisle.
Very grateful. Bye.